All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to look at a brilliant little game called Letter on Point. Seriously, this thing is designed to take that abstract idea of coordinate graphing and turn it into this super visual, kind of competitive battle for space right in your classroom. We'll show you exactly how it works. You know that challenge, right? Trying to make something like a coordinate plane feel real and, fun? It's a big ask, but that's exactly what this game is all about solving. It is the definition of low-prep, high-engagement learning. It just transforms graphing from another worksheet into a game of strategy, a little bit of luck, and some good old friendly competition. So how does it all work? Let's break it down. The real beauty of this game is just how easy it is to get started. I mean, you can literally turn a regular deck of cards into a powerful math lesson in less than a minute. Okay, so the goal, it's super simple. It's got this great tic-tac-toe vibe to it. Basically, each player is trying to connect 3 of their points in a row. That can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. And at the end, the player with the most connected lines wins. Easy peasy. And for materials, all you need is a standard deck of cards and just one coordinate plane sheet that all the players are going to share. The setup is lightning fast. You just split the cards by color, pull out the tens and the face cards, and just remember that aces are going to count as 1. And that's it. You're literally ready to play. All right, so on your turn, you flip 1 red card. That's your X coordinate, how far you go across. Then you flip 1 black card. That's your Y coordinate, how far you go up. You plot that point and you mark it with your initial. Now here's where it gets really fun and competitive. If you land on a point that an opponent has already claimed, you get to replace their initial with yours. It's a takeover. And when you get 3 of your initials in a row, boom, you connect them with the line and you score a point. Now this is crucial. Once you've scored a line, those 3 points are locked in. They are yours. Nobody can steal them for the rest of the game. Okay, but the real magic here isn't just in plotting points. It's in the conversations that start happening during the game. This is where students go from just, doing the math to actually truly understanding it. So let's imagine a quick round between 2 students. We'll call them Alex and Brianna. This is where we get to see that math talk really come to life. So pay close attention to how they explain what they're doing. So Alex goes first. He draws a red 2 and a black 5. See how he doesn't just put a dot on the paper? He's explaining his thinking out loud. He's actually saying the connection between the cards and the coordinates, and you can tell he's already thinking a step ahead. Now it's Brianna's turn, and she's not just focused on her own game. No way. She's looking at Alex's strategy and she's explaining her countermove. This is where that spatial reasoning and strategic thinking really starts to fire up. She's playing both offense and defense at the same time. And this simple question right here, why? This is what takes the learning to a whole other level for everyone. It makes Brianna justify her move, and it forces both of them to double-check that they really get how the coordinate plane works. This kind of peer-to-peer conversation is where the richest learning really happens. Okay, so let's talk about how you can actually bring this into your classroom. Because it's so simple, this game is incredibly versatile and it's so easy to adopt to whatever your routine is. I mean, you can use Letter on Point in so many ways. It is perfect for math centers. It's a great warm-up to get the whole class buzzing. It's a fantastic challenge for those early finishers. It just naturally fits into partner work, and it's an amazing tool for review right before a test. And get this, it is so easy to differentiate. For your younger students, you can totally simplify it. Just use cards 1 through 5, maybe on a smaller grid. But for older or more advanced students, you can introduce all 4 quadrants by making jokers wild negatives. That instantly adds this whole new layer of complexity and challenge. So what's the big takeaway here? This game isn't just about checking off a math standard. It's about building genuine mathematical confidence through, play. Seriously, when your students are laughing and reasoning and strategizing together, they are building so much more than just coordinate skills. This kind of hands-on math is truly transformative. It actually changes how students see themselves as mathematicians. So really, the question isn't just if you're ready to bring this game into your classroom. It's, are you ready to see what happens when that mix of competition and collaboration just unlocks your students' confidence in math? Give it a try. I promise you'll love watching them conquer the coordinate plane.